In this video, we are going to be doing a very bold, yet super pretty, sparkly purple lip. I will be doing a tutorial and a review of the James Charles Create Paint, the Glaze In Lip Glaze, and his brush. Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing a review and a tutorial on James Charles's Create Paints and the shade Turning Violet. So what you will need if you are going to do this tutorial too, you are going to need the Create Paint Turning Violet, a lip glaze, specifically Glaze In Lip Glaze. One thing I love about Painted is that it is so pigmented, you only need very little, and it can cover up all your lips. And it's a very pretty color if you want to leave it matte or add some shimmer, like we are going to do. One thing I love about this product is that if you twist it, little gel comes through those holes, which is so satisfying, which we'll be getting to at sometime in this video. And the brush we're going to use is Painted J2. Let's begin. So first, we're going to shake the product very well, because if you don't, it will come off as like an oily-ish substance, which will get all over you. That's probably one con about this product, is you got to really shake it. Perfect. So this is what it looks like when it's non-shaken. Now we're going to go right in and take our J2 brush, and just very little. And look how pigmented that is, guys. Like, wow. We're just going to add some. I love this product also because, like, you can create such a beautiful eyeshadow base, an eyeliner, so many things. I once used it and I made half of my face, like a whole galaxy, using probably very little bit. It turned out so good. Okay. Making sure that you have at least enough wetness, because it will dry really fast, which is also a good thing. So this is what it kind of looks like matte. Oh, it's not fully dry yet, but it's okay, because we're not done. So the first time it might not go on fully, so we're just going to double the layer a little bit. Okay. Perfect. I'm going to look how much I've used. I barely used any. I've been getting it from there, and I'm already halfway done. Okay. I am obsessed with the James Charles's products. I also have his eyeshadow palette, the miniature one, which I will use another day in a video. Thumbs up if I get to 10 subscribers. I will use that and do a nice, very pretty, colorful eye look. Okay, now look at that, you guys. And then we're just gonna take our fingertip and make sure our edges are nice and sharp. And then now going over a second layer, because if you see, it's not 100% pigmented. It's you know, nothing's perfect. So we're just going to go on a second time and it will look perfect. So when Painted launched, I instantly got this color, and it didn't arrive until a month later, which I was confused why. But at the same time, it was worth the wait. Okay. The brush also becomes very messy, but it's okay. Then blowing on your lips makes it dry too. So this is what it looks like in a matte finish. But as for today, we are not going matte. We are doing shimmer. Now, done talking about just Painted, we're going to talk about this lip glaze. Oh my god, you guys. Literally, like, look at that. It's so shimmery and perfect. Oh my god, that is so satisfying. Satisfying makeup things always make me want them. And ready? You guys are going to be so surprised to hear. Ready? Look how much that thing comes on. Oh my god. I love it. So this is matte. A matte finish. This is a nice and shimmery one. But I'm going to show you what it looks like in full shimmer. And now we're just going to blend it out, making it mix in with the purple that's already there and maybe not fully dry. And it will look like a really nice and pretty purpley sparkle. This type here, it goes well with so many different colors. It is crazy. My favorite one to do with this one is purple, as you can see. Like, wow. Who wouldn't want that on their face? Like, with today's products, Create Paints and Lip Glaze, I think these are some of my favorite lip products to use. This is not just a lip product though. It can be used as a face paint, eyeliner, or eyeshadow. It can even, if you blend it in with a pink one, which I have the pink. The pink one is called Pinky Promise. If you blend it with this real nice, it can be a very light pink blush. And there's so many colors more. I only bought these two so far, but pretty soon I will add more to the collection. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you loved this video as much as I did. Please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video.